Okay, so I guess I'll start on this side of the bedroom. Got the washer and dryer. It's actually drying right now, but I paused it. That is new. We put that in this winter. Best thing we ever did. I feel like we should have done it a long time ago, but that's okay. We've done it now. So I have these hooks right here because sometimes I like to just hang a couple things, start another load, because it takes quite a while to wash and dry a full load. So sometimes I'll take some stuff out and just let it dry. Let's see. And then I have a hook here that I hang the Delicates bag, just a washcloth that I use to clean out the seal. So right now, just for easy access, I'm keeping my laundry soap and my bleach just in that little corner because I really don't have anywhere else to put it. But eventually, we're gonna cut this out because there's actually space up there. There's about a little over a foot of space up above the washing machine, and I want to cut that out and reframe this and then just have like a cute basket or something holding all my laundry supplies. So, and just to show you real quick too, I keep my laundry soap in an old pump shampoo bottle because you can only use 2 tablespoons of soap, and it's really hard to get soap in here with it's just a really tight, like pouring it in, it's just, it doesn't work well. So yeah, I just do pumps, and then I am able to use the perfect amount of soap. So, and this was a Pantene bottle, by the way. So we have a TV in our bedroom, and then we have a DVD player. We use a FIRESTICK too for streaming. Okay, behind the door, I have a couple command hooks that I hang my daughter and my robe on. We hang our towels on some command hooks. I hang our towels instead of in the bathroom because they don't dry well in the bathroom. And plus the hooks are right over the toilet, which I think is so disgusting. So I just hang them in the bedroom. Got my jewelry here. I'm actually going to try to figure something different out for this. This is just my necklaces and my sunglasses. We originally had a king size bed in here, but it made it very difficult. It went all the way to this edge. So like the mattress was all the way up against here. And so, I mean, you can see that is a very small space to try to get into doing laundry or even just making the bed. So we took out the king bed and put in our queen that we had in our house. And it is just much better. It just gave us a lot more room. Even right here, there's a lot more room. Just so much better. So now, just in this little cubby, I wanted like a basket or something there, but it's just kind of awkward. I've done a couple things, put a couple baskets there, and it just doesn't quite work. It just looks bad. Not that that looks any better right now, but whatever. It's, my charger's thrown there, my current book. I picked this up at Walmart in the office section. I could charge my phone here, but I usually just set it here while I'm charging, but it works perfect for the remotes. And I just hung it up with those Velcro command strips in the back. So, and then down here, we figured out this solution. Actually, I saw this on a Facebook group. Actually, the Facebook group for this model, the Montana High Country 376 FL. Anyway, someone shared to get over door hooks, and then we can hang all our shoes. I got one there, and then one on this side. Couple jewelry boxes with some stuff in it. A fan and a dehumidifier is definitely a must in this bedroom. As far as the dresser goes, we don't keep any clothes in here. We had clothes in here, but this bottom drawer, we kept stuffing it and pushing it down and just made it too full, and the bottom kept coming out, which was just a pain. It just wasn't working for our clothes, so In this drawer, this is just like a bunch of office supplies. Next drawer is also office supplies. My label makers, some more envelopes, recipe cards. I keep all my chapsticks in here too because nobody knows where they are, so they won't steal them. For my crafts, I condensed it down to 2 drawers because I used to have all my crafts in there. I had some drawers and bins, and that sucker was full of crafting stuff. But we wanted the washer and dryer, so we had to make some changes. In this top drawer, just have paint and glue, a couple Cricut tools, and then just some little crafting stuff. Rocks for painting rocks, and a couple decorating things. And then this bottom drawer has worked perfect for our books. I have a couple books in there, but the rest are mostly Cameron's for school. But we do have a Kindle for other books. She has some cars and some journaling stuff, and then a box of Legos down there. So what we did with our clothes, instead kind of made like a makeshift dresser situation in the closet. So before this it had like a big panel on this side and on that side, and these 2 doors would open, and that was it. And it was like a deep black hole. You couldn't even get to anything that was back there. It was really just silly. So this is what we did. We got these wire shelves. I picked these up at Target, and as well as the bins, which these are really nice and sturdy, and I can fit a ton of stuff in there. This is all my clothes on this side, and then all of Jeff's clothes on that side, as far as like folded clothes. So I have swimsuits in here, and you guys, I have so much stuff. In this bin, I keep all my hoodies. I've got extra t-shirts in there too. And then I've got shorts and capris, and then these are all pants and leggings. And these bins, that's a lot of clothes in there. I really don't need that many clothes, but whatever, it's nice to have. And then this is just like socks and underwear and scrunchies and stuff up here. So this last travel day from South Carolina to Savannah, we had a little mishap. Something happened and this stuff all slid out. But anyway, got more crafting stuff in this basket. And then in this one, just like extra bathroom stuff, a journal, and 1 extra purse. I have 2 purses. Over here for Jeff, he has pajamas and swimwear and stuff. And then his pants, socks and underwear, and work shirts. And then he has baskets that he just puts whatever kind of junk. And I actually need 1 more basket like this so that both sides match, and then that stuff can go in it. Underneath here, I just got some drawer organizers, and so he has like shades for his face and his hands, like for fishing and stuff, so he doesn't get sunburn. And then his hair trimmer. I just keep my makeup bag here. Cameron has a little drawer organizer here that she keeps all her jewelry and a couple little makeup things in, and then my other jewelry in here. And then we keep our heating pad in that corner. Okay, and then we have closet space for hanging clothes. All of Jeff's clothes are on that side, and all mine are on this side. That's a lot of clothes, right? So right here I keep extra towels, and these are those towels, by the way, that are like thin and kind of like microfiber, and sand does not stick to them, and they dry really fast. I'll leave a link in the description for these. They're amazing. We got these from Wise Owl, and then another set for the beach that are like kind of beachy looking. Extra washcloths, and then in this basket I keep extra toilet paper and baby wipes. It's nice and easy just to put up and down. So I have a pair of dress shoes here and my hats, and then a pair of Jeff's shoes and hats. And then he keeps his lunchbox up here, and then this is actually decorations that I put on a little tiered decorating tray in the living room. It was actually a bunch of beach stuff that we found, and a couple things I bought that were cute. And then the laundry basket right there. Okay, now I'll show you under the bed. Half the time this thing doesn't even want to stay up. I get so nervous. I usually have someone come and hold it for me, but okay, I can fit a lot of stuff down here. And this has been reorganized so many times, but we have always kept the dog food bin down here. Daughter's baby dolls. Back there is my scrapbooking stuff. More crafting stuff down here. Extra toilet paper and paper towels. It looks unorganized, but I know where everything is down here. My nail stuff, because I like to do my own nails. Cricut underneath, and more Cricut stuff like for making t-shirts and stuff. But under this is a bin that holds all of our vinyl. Back there, like backpacks, and then my mats for my Cricut. And then I have, let's see. Back there, my husband's hunting clothes and cold weather gear, long johns, stuff like that. Extra towels and sheets, and then paper towels. And then under here is just some extra laundry stuff that, like I said, I will be storing up there. But so that's everything I keep under here.